Are you drowning in credit card debt and feeling like there's no way out? You're not alone, and there are steps you can take to regain control of your finances. Credit card delinquencies are on the rise, especially among younger generations. In 2024, 15.3% of Gen Z and 12.1% of millennials are struggling with maxed-out cards. Want 25 ways to save money fast? Watch this. If you can't keep up with your credit card debt, it may feel like you have no recourse when you miss payments. However, there are options to improve your situation. First, contact your credit card company. They might be willing to work with you on a payment plan or reduce your late fees or interest rate temporarily. Next, create a plan to catch up on your payments. Use a free budgeting app to understand your monthly spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Consider increasing your income with a side gig. Options include walking dogs, delivering food, driving for rideshare services, or babysitting. If your credit is decent, think about consolidating your debt with a lower-interest personal loan or a 0% introductory APR credit card. Credit counseling is another viable option. Check your credit score and reports to understand your starting point. This will help you track your progress over time and stay motivated. Avoid payday loans or title loans, as they come with exorbitantly high rates and fees, making them especially difficult to repay. Rebuild your credit by making on-time payments, keeping your credit utilization low, and avoiding opening several new accounts. Take positive steps to improve your situation. Want 25 ways to save money fast? Watch this.